morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 16. Okay. Question 10 complete. Now, question 11. Question number 11. A sphere of 6 centimeter diameter is dropped into 12 centimeter diameter cylindrical vessel. Find the rise of water in vessel. Okay, rise of water in vessel means height of vessel is calculate. A sphere is given diameter 6 centimeter. Diameter is given 6 centimeter. Then radius is a half of diameter. So 6 divided by 2. It means 3 centimeter. And volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, according to identity, we know sphere convert into cylindrical vessel. Okay, so volume of sphere equal volume of a cylinder. Therefore, volume of sphere is a 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder, according to identity, we know pi r square h. 4 upon 3 as it is, pi as it is, multiply r. R means radius of sphere. Radius of sphere diameter is 6, radius of sphere is 3. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Volume of cylinder pi as it is, r square. R square means radius of cylindrical vessel. Radius of cylindrical vessel diameter is 12, therefore radius is a half, means 6 multiply 6. Height not given, calculate height, means rise of water, so height calculate as it is. Pi cancel out by pi, 3 cancel out by 3, and 3 cancel out by 6 2 time, 3 cancel out by 6 2 time, 2 into 4 cancel out by 4, therefore 1. So we get a height equal 1 centimeter. It means find the rise of water in vessel. It means rise of water in vessel is 1 centimeter. Its height is 1 centimeter. Answer. Next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 is a hemispherical bowl of internal radius 9 centimeter is full of liquid. This liquid is to be filled into cylindrical shaped small bottles. Each of diameter is 3 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. Then calculate how many bottles are necessary to empty the bowl. Okay, hemispherical shell of bowl is given, so radius is given, therefore we taking volume of a hemispherical shell, and we calculate number na, so number multiply given bottle shape, and we know bottle shape is a cylindrical, so volume of bottle. Okay, now according to identity, volume of hemispherical shell, volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube equal, number means n, and volume of bottle is cylindrical, so volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, 2 upon 3 as it is, pi as it is, r means radius of hemisphere, and radius of hemisphere is given in question 9 centimeter. Therefore put here r equal 9, 9 multiply 9 equal n as it is, pi as it is, r means radius of bottle, and radius of bottle is a diameter. small bottle shaped, and each diameter is 3 centimeter. Therefore radius is a half of diameter, 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. And height is also given. Height is given 4 centimeter. Put here h equal 4 centimeter. Cancel out, calculate that part. 2 2 4, 4 cancel out. Pi cancel out by pi. 3 multiply 3, 9. 9 cancel out by 9. 3 cancel out by 9 3 time. Therefore 9 multiply 3 multiply 2. 9 into 3 27. 27 multiply 2 54. Therefore number of bottles necessary to empty the bowl is a 54. Okay, 54 is number, it means 54 bottles. We get 54 bottles is a answer. Okay, next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is the diameter of a sphere is 0.7 centimeter given. From volume of a water tank, 3000 sphere completely filled with water are drawn out. Then find volume of water drawn out. Okay, diameter of sphere is given. First mention given part, diameter is given 0.7. Therefore radius is a half of diameter. So radius 0.7 divided by 2 centimeter. And from volume of water tank, okay, water tank means cylindrical and sphere. So first given sphere shape, sphere convert into cylindrical. Water tank will at cylindrical, sphere convert into cylindrical. Therefore we used volume of sphere equal volume of a cylinder. Okay, volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 as it is. Pi equal 22 upon 7. Mention r means 7 upon 20. 0.7 upon 2 means here remove point, divided by 10. 7 upon 20. So 7 upon 20, 7 upon 20, 7 upon 20. 4 upon 3, 22 upon 7, 7 upon 20, 7 upon 20, 7 upon 20 centimeter cube. Okay, volume of sphere equal volume of water tank. Volume of water tank, water tank means cylindrical. Therefore for 3000 sphere completely filled water and get outside thus volume. Okay, now 3000 multiply by 4 upon 3. 3000 na, 3000 sphere, it means volume of sphere this one multiply by 3000. 3000 multiply by this one. Okay, calculate this part. 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3 0 cancel out. 3 cancel out by 3. Okay, 7 cancel out by 7. 2 into 2 4, 4 cancel out. 2 cancel out by 22, 11 time. 11 multiply 49. 11 multiply 49 means we get 539, okay, centimeter cube. 539 centimeter cube is a volume. Answer. Next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is a cone, a hemisphere and a cylinder are formed by same base radius. It means a radius of cone, hemisphere and cylinder are equal. Okay, and same height. Also height is same. Right ratio of their volumes. Right ratio of their volumes. Okay, cone, first cone, second hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere means this one, and a cylinder, and a cylinder. Okay, these radius and height are equal. Okay, therefore radius is r and height is h, are equal, h. We find ratio of their volumes. Okay, given h equal r, so volume of cone ratio volume of hemisphere ratio volume of a cylinder. Volume of cone, according to identity, volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere according to identity, 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder according to identity, pi r square h. Okay, now pi and pi common part cancel out, and h equal r. H equal r means r square into h, r cube, r square into h, r cube. Cancel out. Remaining part is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, and 1, and ratio. Okay, 1 upon 3 ratio 2 upon 3 ratio 1. We find simple ratio. It means first taking LCM. LCM is 3. So 1 upon 3 multiply 3. 2 upon 3 multiply 3. 1 multiply 3. 3 cancel out. It means remaining part 1. 2 upon 3 multiply 3 means 3 cancel out. Remaining part is 2. And 1 multiply 3 means 3. Therefore, ratios of their volumes are 1 ratio 2 ratio 3 is a answer. We get ratios 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. Volume of cone is 1 ratio, volume of hemisphere is 2 ratio, and volume of cylinder is a 3 ratio. Answer. Next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is left part of solid is cylindrical and right part is conical. Left part of solid is cylindrical and right part is conical. It means left part is cylindrical and right part is conical. If diameter of cylinder is 14, diameter of cylinder means this part is given, this part is 14, so OA means radius R equal 14 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2 means 7. If diameter of cylinder is 14 and length is 40, and length means height is 40, length means this part is given 40 centimeter. Okay, and cone is of diameter 14, and also diameter of cone is 14, so radius is also 7, and 12 centimeter height of cone is this part is 7 centimeter, 12 centimeter, this part is 12 centimeter. Okay, now then find the volume of a solid. Find volume of solid. It means volume of cylinder plus volume of a cone. Volume of cylinder and volume of cone added, we get volume of a solid. Okay, volume of solid means volume of cylinder plus volume of cone plus volume of cone. Therefore, according to identity, volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Pi as it is, R means cylinder radius. Cylinder radius is 7. Cylinder radius is 7. So mention 7 whole square. Multiply H, height. Height is given 40 plus 1 by 3 as it is, pi as it is. R means radius of cone. Radius of cone is also 7. So 7 multiplied by 7. H means height of cone. Height of cone is given 12 centimeter. Therefore, pi is common part. So 22 upon 7. Remaining part 7 multiply 7, 49 into 40 plus 3 cancel out by 12. 4 time 7 into 7, 49 into 4, 196. Okay. 22 upon 7. Solve out this part. We get 2156. Solve out part. So we get volume of solid is 6776 centimeter cube is a answer. Okay. Calculate volume of solid na. Volume of cylinder plus volume of cone added. Now get volume of solid. Next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is the population of a village is 4000. There is requirement of 150 liter water per person daily. There is a water tank of dimension 20 meter, 15 meter, 6 meter in village. For how many days of water this tank sufficient? Okay. Miscellaneous. Question 10. Miscellaneous part. Volume of tank. Volume of tank is given, and now tank volume of tank dimension, length, breadth and height is given. Therefore volume of length, breadth and height. Length multiply breadth multiply height. Volume is given. Solve out this part. So 1800 meter cube. Okay. Now population of a village is 4000 and 150 liter water required per person daily. It means meter. First we convert meter into liter. Okay. Now we know 1 meter cube equal 1000 liter. Then 1800 meter cube. We calculate 1800 meter cube na. So 1800 meter cube, 1800 meter cube convert into liter, multiply by 1000. So 1800 multiply 1000 liter. Population of a village is given 4000 and water required for per person is a 150 liter. Therefore number of days water required is a this divided by 4000 into 150, because total volume na, total volume is this. So 1800 multiply 1000 and 4000 is population. 4000 water required per person 150. Therefore 4000 multiply 150. Solve out that part. 1 2 3 4 40 cancel out and cancel out. So we get 3. We get is a 3. It means number of days water required for village 3 days. 3 days is a answer. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11 means 3 sphere are given. 3 sphere are given and melt 3 sphere. We convert. We made a new sphere. We made a new sphere and find out radius of new sphere. Radius of a new sphere. Okay. So first 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube. First sphere radius r1, second sphere radius r2, third sphere radius r3. Radius of 3 spheres are given. 3 spheres are given according to question. Radius of 3 spheres are given according to question. According to question, 3 solid metallic sphere of radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melt and then recast into a big sphere. Find the radius of this sphere. Okay, so according to identity, 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi r3 cube equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Solve out that part. Answer. Next question, question number 13. In question number 13, a candle of diameter 2.8, a candle of diameter 2.8 centimeter formed from a cuboid dimension. Cuboid dimension length, breadth and height is given. Find the length of candle. Find the length of candle. It means volume of cylinder means candle means we let candle is cylindrical shape. So volume of cylinder equal volume of cuboidal candle. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of cuboidal candle lbh. Find out h. Next, last question. The diameter of metallic sphere is 6. Metal are drawn into a wire length 36. Find radius. Therefore, volume of sphere convert into volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube and volume of cylinder pi r square h. Calculate radius. So we find radius. Okay. Thanks.